All right, for the review on formulating absolute value, this is the number 1 question. You're always going to use this setup equation right here, x minus m equals d. The absolute value of x minus m is equal to d, where m is the middle, like the middle of it's a starting point. They use m for middle, and d is the distance you're going in both directions. So m is like this middle spot right here, and you're going d in each direction to your 2 solutions, which are x. Of course, there'd only be one solution if it was 0 on d, because it would just be stuck at m, right? And it can't be negative, because you can't go negative as a distance. So usually there's going to be 2 x's, unless the d is 0, then there's going to be only 1, right? So let's use that formula for this problem on number 1. It says he drives on the golf course an average of 290 yards, so that's the average. And then his drives will vary by 30, depending on how well he hits the ball. And formulate an absolute value equation to find the minimum and maximum distances, and then calculate the minimum and maximum distances. So here's the equation that I would formulate. The d that it goes in both directions is 30. That's the distance it could go, and the m would be 290, like his average striking distance. That's kind of the middle, right? So my formula would be x minus 290 equals 30. So there's my formula. And if I wanted to solve it, I would split it into 2 equations, and I would get x minus 290 equals 30, and x minus 290 equals negative 30, and you could solve those and get the 2 answers. So add 290 to both sides. So the highest he could hit it is this one right here, x equals 320. That's his maximum. So that's the max. And this one will give me the lower number, right? Because it's the negative 30, we're going 30 the other direction. And so you're going to do plus 290. Plus 290, and I get x is equal to 260, and that would be my minimum distance, and so that would be the answer for number 1.